All right, my friends, you're going to turn to page 13 now. Flip that packet like a pancake. And we're going to take a look at the 3 question choices on this page. Just like with the last page, you only need to answer one of the questions on this page. Let's take a look at what our options are before you decide which one you want to answer. Our first choice is mood reflect. How did Jack feel when he received the letter from the captain? So you'll need to go back in the book and reread the part where it talks about Jack receiving the letter from the captain and look at his words, thoughts, or actions, and then tell how Jack felt when he received the letter from the captain. You also need to answer, why did he think the mission was completed? Make sure you TTQA to answer both of these question parts on here. Your next option would be to reflect. Jack was having a hard time finding Annie. Why was Annie sitting in the back of the biggest boat? What was she hoping for? Go back in your story and find this part in chapter 5. Then TTQA to answer, why was Annie sitting in the back of the biggest boat? And what was she hoping for? Your last option on this page is vocabulary, context clues. Remember, we've been using context clues to go back and find the words or sentences around an unfamiliar word and understand what this word means based on those clues. So define the vocab word using context clues and or a dictionary. Our excerpt from the story is, I told you to go home, Jack, the captain said sternly. Where's your sister? Our underlined word is sternly. We're trying to decide based on our context clues what the word sternly means. So, based on these sentences, can you determine what the word sternly means? If so, you can write what sternly means on these lines. If not, you're going to use the link to dictionary.com to read the different meanings for sternly and pick the one that fits these sentences. Then it asks you a synonym of sternly. I've added a thesaurus.com link where you can find synonyms for sternly, or you may know one in your head already that you can write on the line. So remember, my friends, you are just answering one of these 3 questions on this page, then taking a picture and posting it on the screen. Please work carefully